Today we have the 2016 Ford Camper. This vehicle has done just over 78,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink and fridge just below. Just behind me is our first of 2 double beds, making this camper 4 berth, 6 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can connect to Bluetooth, CD, radio and aux. Just below our screen we have our AC. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.